Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to share a story on Facebook. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device to access your account. Step 2. Tap on Create Story located on the left side of the screen to begin creating your story. Step 3. You have the option to either capture a new photo or video using your camera, or select one from your device's gallery to include in your story. Step 4. Once you have selected or captured your content, you can enhance it by adding text, stickers, or other effects to make your story more engaging and personalized. Step 5. After editing your story to your liking, tap on Share to publish it for your friends and followers to view. By following these steps, you can easily create and share captivating stories on Facebook, allowing you to share your moments and experiences with your social network. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to share a story on Facebook. Enjoy sharing your stories and connecting with your audience through engaging and creative content.